What if I told you the problem that you are facing in your life right now? Someone has already written the solution for it. But the only question is, are you ready to open that or not? Hey everyone, this is Phul Babu, and in this video, I will tell you about my real experience on book reading. I will show you my life before I was reading the books and now I am reading the books. What kind of things that have changed and how it can do the same for you. Let me first share with you a story of my book reading journey, how I have started book reading journey and what kind of problems that I faced while I started book. One day my brother brought a book. That book name was The Secret of Millionaire Mindset. That book was in Hindi. So my brother started reading that book, and I was also curious why they are reading this book because first time I was watching someone that they are reading the books. When I asked to my brothers why you are reading this book, you know what he told me? He told me I am reading the books because every successful people in this country they first read books. The common habits of every millionaire and billionaire they read books. So I asked them, they become millionaire and billionaire by just reading the books? Then he said, yes, not only reading the books, but the things that they have read in that book, they applied in their real life, and that's why they become so successful people in their life. That day, a curiosity come inside of me. My brother is reading book, so I will also read book because I also want to be a successful people like a millionaire and billionaire. And if every successful people they have started their journey by reading the book, so why not I will also read the books? Then I started reading the books. In beginning, I was reading Hindi books because my brother brought first book that was in Hindi. So I started reading that. I thought I want to learn English too. So why not to start reading books in English? When I started reading English book in initial stage, I was unable to understand what kind of things that is written in that book. So I thought I'm not able to read English book. So I should switch myself from English to Hindi because whatever I will read, I will able to understand. But in English, I'm not connecting what kind of thoughts that are written in that. What happened? My brother told me in initially you will not understand what's written in it because English is important. So you have to continue with English book. Whether you understand it or not, it doesn't matter anymore. You have to read. So I started reading. In initially 1 month, I was unable to understand, but still I was reading louder and louder and louder. Then I started connecting those thoughts that is written in books. When there was some story somewhere, I don't know what is the meaning of these words, but still I get just because of a story, because I was interesting to reading that story. So that's why I started understanding what's written in that book. First question is, what was my first book from where I started reading? As I told you, my first book was Millionaire Mindset, that was Hindi version. But the first book I brought in English, that was The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which is written by Joseph Murphy. That was completely changed my life. The way I was thinking before reading that book and the way I was thinking after reading that book, that was quite impressive because I was thinking ki this thing is not going to help me. Why I'm just thinking like this? When I read that book, I realize, oh, I was missing something. And this is the problem that I was facing in my life, according my beliefs and how our subconscious mind works and how our conscious think about any particular works. So that book was completely changed my thought pattern. So they give me ideas that how I should think about my life. And the second book, that was The Power of Atomic Habits, that was completely changed my life. Actually in that book what I was able to know the problem I was facing in my life, how to actually track this problem, how to overcome on this problem. And the strategy that is written in that book, that was mind blowing, and still I am applying that methods that I have learned in that book. When I finished that book, I had 3 new habits in my life while I was just procrastinating to doing works. But after that, I started doing something different in my life. Like I started waking up early in the morning. I started reading books each and every single day. I started making my content on YouTube. I started meditating. I started exercising. And when I was reading that book, I was thinking, yeah, this book is just written for me. So that's why I'm telling you, start reading the books, because the problem that you are passing through in your life, there is a solution of that problem which is written in books. So start reading the books. I have reading books, that is the Power of Atomic Habits, which is in my hand right now. I will show you how I highlighted the things, the thoughts, how I recognize this is the things which is going to work for me, because in the condition where I am right now, this is the right words and right structure to enhance my life at that moment, as you can see right now, because this is the first step to moving forward to become a successful person in your life. So let's talk about how I was thinking before reading the books. I was thinking ki this problem is never going to end. I will face a lot of problems in my life. I am not born in a rich family, so I will be a richer in my upcoming time. My thought pattern was like this way completely. When I read this book, my thought pattern is completely changed. I was thinking to doing any work, I have to do a lot of work to do that work. But after reading this book, I got ideas that to doing something massive in your life, it doesn't mean that you have to do some massive work at once. You have to do that works step by step. First, you have to divide that works in a teeny small changes, and you have to follow that teeny small changes in your day-to-day life, and you will able to see after 3 months and 6 months noticeable changes inside of me, that you are changing yourself. In my case, I was just exercising, but I was not seeing any results in my initially months. When I did it with consistency for 6 months, then I am able to notice something changes inside of my body, that I'm building my muscles. It will completely change your thought pattern, the way you were thinking about any problems before reading this book, and the way you are thinking about any problem after reading this book. So thank you very much for watch this video till now, and I hope we will meet again with another video with another valuable content to change your life.